us today. My name is Rishikesh Kede and my colleagues are Abhishek and Dhanashri. So basically, our from our internship. Uh, Over the past few weeks, we have been working on, we had an opportunity to intern at Closure Software Solution Private Limited Company, where we basically work on RPA. RPA is a robotics process automation and is a software technology in which we uses the software robots or bot. Basically, chatbots and these bots are used to do the repetitive tasks which are usually done by human beings. So, like we can replace them the humans by using the chatbots. So basically, in our first week of an internship, like we will handle.
In the first week of internship, let's see what we have done. First, company introduction. In company, on the behalf of Anjali ma'am. Anjali ma'am give a stand for us and gives the information about the company and how as it works on works in the company. We works in the company that ma'am has been declared to us. So basic of RPA that we have learned in internship. Basic of RPA tools such as we have done operation on the arithmetic operations like additions, multiplication, division, subtractions, and the leap operations activities using the UFR software. So log message is.
Sir, I want to know that how that UFR software is work. So that execution are
UFR is a bot. Automatic process.
You have to execute here that.
Okay, sir. Basically, you are part of the software in which we can create the bots. Okay, it has tools and other devices by which we can make the automatic bots, chatbots, and also we can solve the issues related to the solution. Like if a person, like अगर एक person है, वो कोई कंपनी में जॉब कर रहा है, ठीक है? अगर कोई इशू है, वो लेता है और हैंड ओवर करता है सेकंड पर्सन को. तो वो जो बीच का पर्सन है, वो उसको रिप्लेस करेगा चैटबॉट. चैटबॉट उसका काम करेगा.
हमारे पास सब क्वेश्चन है.
Is that you have chatbot and UFR is implemented testing process at you can say
Like in the ending, I will show you.
okay.
So basically, log message is an activity which is included in the software. So log message is used to show an error. What the actual error is in the project or the process has been there. So basically, the log message is that. And second week of internship, we have studied the basic file operations like copy, file, move, delete, create, and edit. This operation that Anjali has been declared for us. And basic, and also we have done the basic Excel operation like read cell, create cell, write cell, add element, move element, and copy element. And the third week of internship, we have learned the Atlas Excel operations, we designed the RPA bot to join strings, summation of the column, percentage, and other Excel formulas. The fourth week will continue by the internship.
Good morning, myself is Dhanashri Shetty and I am the third member of our group. So on our fourth year of the internship, we do activity as Google Form automation. So in the Google Form automation, basically Google Form automation is the process to create like your forms by it will be more easier and faster and more accurate. You can make by getting the data from Excel by clicking like sheet. We click on sheet and then check typing filters and do the automation. On our fifth week of the internship, we do a PDF form automation activity which there is a main concept, like it's the key concept of the RPA, which is the OCR. So OCR is optical character recognition page. What it does, it basically do, it takes a text message which human can understand, but the machine can't understand, right? So OCR do one thing that it converts it into the machine readable format. And on our final week and last week of the internship, we do web scraping automation activity. In this, we designed a RPA bot to to copyright attributes to explain about the web attributes and web detection. So web tracking is the process of using bots to extract content of data from one file to another. Like in RPA, what we do, we take data from Excel and then convert it into the R in the UI part and do its automation, and it will snake and it will convert it into the machine text format. Now Shitesh will continue our next project.
Okay, so coming back to the application, for example, sir, let us consider an example. You purchase a Wi-Fi router, okay, and you are facing a issue like you are not able to use the Wi-Fi, you are not getting the network properly from since 2 days. Okay, so what you will do? You will likely to approach to the customer service. Okay, over there you will report the issue what you are facing. After that, what that customer service will do? Customer service will take your issue and pass it to the particular representative. That representative will assess your issue and hand over the problem to the right person. अगर आपका इशू है वाईफाई के रिलेटेड तो वो वाईफाई के रिलेटेड पर्सन को हैंडल करेगा, अगर नेटवर्क के रिलेटेड इशू है तो वो नेटवर्क के रिलेटेड पर्सन को हैंडल करेगा. अभी for example, sir, like write an email like you are facing a issue on a Wi-Fi. That अभी suppose एयरटेल कंपनी है, एयरटेल कंपनी में अभी बहुत सारी ऑप्शंस होते हैं, ठीक है. अगर आप एयरटेल कंपनी का वाईफाई यूज कर रहे हो और उसमें